Did you know that the color of orchid roots can reveal important information about their health and care? Hi everyone! Welcome back to Jules Share channel where we share simple gardening and orchid care tips. Today, we're going deep into the orchid pot. Yes, literally, to talk about roots. Have you ever wondered what green, white, or wrinkled roots mean? Stay tuned because understanding what they mean is crucial for providing the best care for your plants. And this is the secret to keeping your orchids alive and thriving. Join me as I dive into the mystery of green, white, silvery, and wrinkled orchid roots and try to find out what they really mean. When orchid roots are plump and green, that's a great sign. It means they're properly hydrated and actively photosynthesizing. Orchids actually use their roots like leaves, soaking up light and moisture. The surprising truth about green orchid roots is that they are actually a sign of a thriving plant. When your orchid has green roots, it means that they are adapting to its environment and using its roots to absorb what it needs. And to care for green orchid roots, make sure to provide your plant with good air circulation, water it properly, and repot it when necessary. White or silvery roots usually mean the orchid is dry and needs water. Don't worry, this is normal. Just give a good soak and you'll often see those roots turn green again. So why do orchid roots turn white and wrinkled in the first place? One reason is overwatering. When you water your orchids too much, the roots can start to rot, which can cause them to turn white and mushy. On the other hand, if you underwater your orchids, the roots can start to shrink and wrinkle, also turning white. So the tip is best time to water is when most of the roots you see have turned white. Now, wrinkled or shriveled roots, that means dehydration or root rot. If they are mushy and brown, the roots have died from overwatering. If they are dry and stringy, it's underwatering. The quick solution tip is trim off dead roots with sterilized scissors and repot your orchids if needed. Here are some quick tips. Use a clear pot so you can monitor root health. Water only when roots look silvery white. And ensure good airflow and chunky orchid mix to prevent rot. So, next time you check your orchids, remember, green roots mean happy, white roots mean thirsty, and wrinkled roots mean trouble. The more you understand your orchid's roots, the easier it is to keep them blooming year after year. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more orchid care tips, and hit the bell so you won't miss my next plant care guide. Again, this is Jules here, reminding you happy roots, happy blooms, care for your orchids, and they'll care for your soul. From my garden to yours, may your days always bloom beautifully. Thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and God bless.